Alright, if you have one of these HP laptops, this is, I'm going to show it upside down, if I can, but this is a 13t-ad100, okay, and you're missing a whole bunch of drivers, so in here you can see all these drivers are missing, right? Okay, first you need to go to HP's website, hp.com, it'll go here, we'll go to support, in support you want to go to software and drivers, okay, then you want to select laptop. You'll type in here 13t-ad100. All right, so there you go. There's two of them. It shouldn't matter which one. I'll just select the first one. And then in here, I know we have Windows 11. This doesn't have Windows 11 drivers, so just do Windows 10. Okay, so make sure you select Windows 10 in both. Submit. And then we're going to open all. And these are the drivers you want. I already actually selected them all, so let me show you here. Oops. Oh, did I accidentally click it already? Oh, here we go. Okay, so here are the drivers I did. So you want the BIOS one there. Okay, hopefully you can see that. The latest BIOS. And then you'll want the audio driver. Okay, you'll want the management engine, IMEI or Intel MEI. Intel Serial IO, you'll want that, so check that. If it doesn't do this with the checkbox, we'll see. I might have to manually download, but hopefully it will let me get each one. Okay, so we got the Intel management, Intel Serial IO. We got the Intel chipset driver. Okay, Intel dynamic platform and thermal framework thing. Okay, and then Intel software guard extension device driver. Some of these we likely won't need, but it's okay. We're just going to get all of them. Then the Intel HD graphics. Make sure you're getting the latest ones, not the old one. The Synaptics driver, Realtek card reader. It showed up again later, but anyways, Intel Bluetooth driver, Intel WLAN or wireless driver. Okay, then the Intel Rapid Storage Technology driver, and then you see the card reader driver appeared again, and that's pretty much it. Okay, then you want to scroll back to the top, and it shows you all the stuff that you selected. So we're going to now download the selected files, and then just say, no, we're going to download and install manually. It has like an automated thing, but I don't like using that. Anyways, I'm saving them all to a drivers folder here. And we're just going to say save. Okay, we're going to allow multiple downloads here because it is going to be trying to download 1,000,000 at once. So we're just going to say yes, save, and they're all going to pop up, and we're just going to save all of them. Okay, you get the idea. And then once they're all downloaded, we'll run them, and hopefully we'll see all the drivers disappear. Most likely the main one missing is the chipset driver. Okay, and that will get rid of most of them. Okay, I already downloaded this one, so I can cancel it. We'll just save it anyways, just so it doesn't mess up. I did 2 of them already earlier, so I think that's all of them. Okay, let's see if we got everything is already done. Wow, they downloaded fast. Okay, so it looks like all the drivers are already done. We'll close this, and then wait, it's already trying to run itself. That's weird. The card reader driver was already trying to install itself. Anyways, we'll open the drivers folder. Okay, and here we go. I'm gonna see if I can open that all the way so you can see all of them. Okay, so we're just gonna go in order. Not that there's any specific order. Okay, Realtek card reader driver. Next, accept. Next. Sorry if I'm cutting anything out, but you get the idea. Okay, and then you kind of want to just take a look and see if these things disappear. Usually if it detects a new driver that's related to the hardware, this thing will refresh itself. So we should see that list refresh itself in a bit. Nope. Okay, it didn't care. So the next one, Intel software guard extension device. So let's see if that does anything. Later version is already installed. Okay, so we don't need it because we already have a newer one, probably from Windows Update. Okay, third one is Intel Serial IO driver. Next, accept, next. It's most likely going to be the chipset one that will take care of most of what's missing here. Okay, let's see if the Intel Serial IO driver, oh, okay. I think still the same amount of stuff is there. So maybe it's a driver we already had and it just updated it. Okay, Intel chipset 1, so let's go ahead and install this. And I'm assuming this is going to get rid of most of them. Let's see. Come on, I hope I'm right. There you go. Lots of them disappeared, but not all of them. Okay, what are the rest? Restart later. Let's do the next driver. Intel Dynamic Platform and Thermal something. Let's do that. Oh, that got rid of 3 other ones. So there's only 1 left. Okay, so chipset and the Intel platform thermal whatever thing. And then Intel Rapid Storage. Let's see. Sometimes this will be one of them. Accept, next. Next, 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 go. It did update some driver, but it didn't get rid of the PCI device. I wonder what that PCI device driver is. Still going. Come on, why is it stuck? Huh. This one's stuck. Most likely the chipset driver got the USB 3.0 stuff back. And then that other, you see the dynamic platform and thermal framework. I don't know what's going on with this, it's just frozen. So I guess if yours is stuck, that's normal. I don't know. Let's start the next one. Card reader driver. Okay, accept, next, next. Why is it hiding itself? I don't know what's going on with the Intel Rapid Storage thing. Uh-oh, are they all getting stuck now? That one's stuck too now. Huh. Maybe I should just leave it and come back. They're all getting stuck. What's next? Did I tap it twice? I don't know. The audio one. Oh, the audio one should already be installed, so I don't think that's going to do anything. But let's install it anyways. Okay, we have one of these. Oh, it's because I did it twice. Oops. Next, next. Nothing's happening. Are they all just frozen now? Uninstalling? Oh, is it uninstalling the old or the driver that was installed with Windows? None of these are doing anything. They're all just stuck. Maybe they're doing something in the background, but they're stuck. Okay. I'll be back when something new happens. I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, I'm not sure what happened. The screen just went black and then took forever to turn back on. I'm just going to finish doing the rest of the drivers and see, hopefully the PCI device driver goes away. But I don't know. The only thing left is the BIOS, the wireless, which I doubt is going to make anything go away because the wireless is already working. And what's this? Bluetooth. Yeah, so I don't know. I need to figure out what the PCI device is. Let me figure it out and I'll let you know. Okay, it's most likely the Intel Management Engine interface. So I downloaded all 3. and we'll see what happens. I'm going to try installing all 3 of them. I put them in a separate folder. Let's see if any of these solve the issue. Okay, I'm wondering if that driver failed to completely install last time when it just went to a black screen. I wasn't sitting in front of it, so I'm not sure when it happened. But yeah, the screen was just black and wouldn't do anything. So I'm going to say yes just to write over the driver. And let's see what happens. Is it doing anything? Nothing's happening. Let's try the next one. Okay, yes. Next. Accept. Next. Next. Oh, it says there's a pending reboot. So maybe I have to finish it and then restart the computer. So this probably won't do anything. Okay, let's have it do the... The BIOS update is blocked, so we can't do the BIOS update yet. Alright, let's go ahead and restart the computer. Maybe it needs to restart for it to do it. So we'll restart. Okay, I ran all of them and none of them found the driver. So let's see if I do driver, update driver, browse computer. Let's see if I just tell it to browse C drive and tell it to search for everything. Alright, let's see if one of the drivers I accidentally installed and it just didn't go through for whatever reason. Maybe the computer restarted itself or froze. I don't know. Okay, because the only other option, I guess I have to try and find again if some driver's missing. Maybe I can do the, let's see here, hp.com support. Where's it? Software and drivers. Let's try doing the other thing. 13t dash was it ad100? Okay, let's try doing the not Energy Star one and see if there's different drivers in there, because this looks like it didn't find anything. So yep, all right. Again, Windows 10, submit. Let me see if I can find it and I'll let you know. Alright, here's one other driver, HP wireless button driver. I'm gonna assume it might be that one, so let me click that. There's, what else? Is that the only new thing that I see in here? Another card reader driver. Let's try doing the Alcor card reader driver just in case. Intel Rapid Storage. I did that, right? Okay, I think the rest. Audio switch. Okay, let's try these. I have a feeling it's the wireless button driver. Okay, so download selected files. No, I don't want to use your utility. Okay. And alright, I'm going to save these all in. Let's go back to drivers and then I'll make a new folder and we'll just call it new, I guess. Alright, let's save that in there. Let's save that in there. Okay, and let's save that in there. Pretty sure it's the wireless button switch whatever thing, but we'll find out. Alright, those are done. Let's go to the drivers again. New. Let's see. That's the only thing that looked weird, so I have a feeling it's that. Okay, let's skip that one. I think I already did that. Let's skip that one. Okay, let's try this one first. If it's not that, then we'll try the other two. Wireless button driver. I accept. Next, next. Please be the right driver. Come on. Is it doing its thing? Where's the thing? Where's the installer? Why is it not installing? Strange. I don't know what's happening. It's not installing. Should I try again? Yes. Next. accept, next, next. Wait, where does it save to? I can manually do it if it's that. Okay, software setup. So let's go in here, driver, update driver, browse, software setup. What is this? SP88834. Let's try it. Go. Nope, that's not it. Huh, so what else? The reader, Alcor Media Micro Card Reader. Let's try that. Is it that one? It's a PCI card reader, so maybe. Come on. Nope. Oh wait, next. Next. Come on. There we go. So it was the card reader driver all this time. Alright, so just restart your computer, and that's pretty much it. Hopefully this video helped you guys out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.